Hi there, happy Friday. So I was editing a video this morning, but it got too long and my elbow got painful, so I decided to stop and do something that I like. And that is updating my monthly log last week and this week. And also, I will show you a little bit about my desk because you might think that I have a new desk, but I don't. So I will show you to explain what desk I'm using right now. Okay, so this is my desk set up right now. This is the pine table, the IKEA Ivar table that I initially used, but it's not the correct height, so I needed to add an extendable table like this. So this table goes up and down to the height that I need it so that my back won't hurt. And it's really useful for me. And what I like about this is that I can also pull it like that closer to me so I don't have any backache when working. This is like a tabletop for having breakfast in bed, I think. So this one, that's another table and it's wood. And I use this for filming my videos because I like how the wood looks on the video. So instead of moving this black extendable desk, I just decided to get this and add it on top whenever I film a video. This is a really old one that my husband bought, and he bought it because we use it when watching a movie on the iPad together. So I think that's why we bought it. Anyway, so that's really useful for me right now. And so that's my complicated desk setup, but it's really helpful. And this way, I don't have any back pain when I am working on my laptop. So again, I was working on a video this morning and it was a really long video. I wanted to do something really nice and helpful, but it turned out to be too long and too um, I don't know, it was really hard to do. And so I think it was a stress that caused my elbow to really to have a bit of pain right here. So it happens when I want to finish something and really focus on it that I forget that I need to move this so that it doesn't, I don't know. I think I was just using my arm too much. So anyway, I don't want to do it anymore. I'm not going to do that video anymore. I decided that maybe I should just do short videos like this and really enjoy myself while sharing things about my journals and my planners. And so let's update the monthly log last week. I wasn't able to do this because I made a lot of fun videos last week, and that's my June bullet journals, and the lemon themed one, and the rainbow themed one, and also I did a lot of coloring and short story because I have it here. So last week I did my best not to buy from Uniqlo because there was a huge Uniqlo sale, and of course my favorite shirts from Uniqlo were on sale, but I did my best not to buy from them, just to save money. But I bought something from Amazon and it was by accident. This item was on my cart and I was just checking how much the shipping would be if I ordered it from Amazon and I accidentally checked it out. It didn't even ask me if I want to confirm my payment or something like that. It was an accident, but it was actually a happy accident. And I could really cancel it right there and then, but I didn't want to cancel it. So order went through and this arrived this week. I think yesterday or the other day. It's a Coco Wayo How to Draw Patterns, and I was looking at this because I wanted to improve my coloring skills. It's only that when I learned about alcohol markers that I decided to go back to coloring or painting again. I really wanted to get this one and I got it by accident. So so there. Anyway, let's update this Friday. Film and edit my videos for my bullet journal, and if you printed something from my website, please let me know. Leave a comment. What planner are you using for this month of June? And yeah, that's everything I did. And my dog played with his friend. He's been waiting to do that for the longest time. So I know it's not much, but that seems to be the highlight of my day that day, aside from working on my journals and my videos. So let's just put the sticker that says work from home. I'm not sure if that was a stressful day. I know I have that on my evening journal, but I don't want to look at it anymore. So work from home. And if you're asking or if you want to know, these stickers that I'm using are from um, Plan So Cute or Sandra Avila. I forgot what's her name on Etsy. It's a printable shop, and I get my stickers from her so that I can keep using them. So once I run out of these stickers, I just print and cut again and use them. I can even sell these stickers. I got her commercial license, but I'm not doing that because I don't think I have the time and energy and the right skills to make those sticker sheets really nice. So there. And also my dog had a wonderful time playing with his friend. His friend is a Pomeranian. It's really fluffy and white and fluffy and very active because he's still young. And so he likes to play with my dog, but my dog, he's a bit shy, so he'll just go down, play with him for a while, and then rush back home. So what his friend does is he follows my dog to our home, and that's really funny when they play. And then I also stayed home that day. So Friday is a stay home day. Saturday I also stayed home and watched a movie. My husband and I watched a movie on Netflix, and that's my future you. Also did a lot of videos and cooked some chicken. I didn't think I would like it, but I did so. Mm. Hey, they have the same color. And then Sunday, we watched another movie, The Pink Opaque. I filmed another plan me, so again stayed home that day. And I was able to do my goal of staying home 4 days in a week. We didn't go to church on Sunday, but we went to Bible study on Saturday. We really have a nice time with our Bible study online. So we're just attendees. We don't lead the Bible study. It's really simple. It's very encouraging, and so we're really happy that we finally got to be a part of a Bible study, and we studied Psalm 91. And it's a really wonderful time sharing. And so I was inspired to read my Bible. The following week, I read Psalm 91 and then continued to Psalm 92. And it was a really blessed time of spending with God's Word. So, and all I did was I started reading aloud the psalm from my Bible, and then it just happened. Sometimes just God speaks to you in mysterious ways, I think. So anyway, so we had Bible study, and then this movie is The Pink Opaque. And because it's pink, let's use one of these stickers from my latest freebie for members on my shop. So this is the rainbow stickers. I call it rainbow stickers. And they said that the movie has deeper meaning to it, I guess. But I didn't really think about it that much. So anyway, I think that's all I want to write here. Hmm, yeah. Oh, and this is the first time we went to this small restaurant. Went there to Ben's Halo Halo, and then the following week we went back to have a family meal to celebrate my dad's birthday. My dad's not here anymore, but we still celebrate his birthday every every year. And let's put another cute sticker. we didn't have cake for his birthday. Instead, we had halo halo, and it was raining while we were eating halo halo. So it was cold, and yet the halo halo was still really good. And then another movie, we had we watched the movie with my sister and my niece afterwards. It's a film fest movie, The Uninvited. It was, I think the film was written, it was written well, but I just thought they could have used a different set of actors. But we enjoyed the movie anyway. It's The Uninvited. When I started doing the bullet journaling, so I saw these YouTube videos of doodles and calligraphy, and I really wanted to do that. But I wasn't really good at it. So good thing there's stickers and printables. So instead of drawing my pages, I get clip art and design my pages instead using Canva. And also a Canva was a time that Canva was something new, and I'm really glad I got to use that because I don't know how to use Photoshop. I really don't. So Canva is really a game changer for me. This is really ugly. I think my handwriting here is really bad. Let me change that. No, I'm really lucky because I'm a morning person and my husband is a night owl. So I have me time in the morning and he has me time at night. It's nice, right? Anyway, that's it. That's it. That's my monthly log, I guess. So anyway, thanks for being here. I hope you have a nice weekend and let's enjoy coloring this weekend. So I'm doing this later. So anyway, have a fun weekend, guys. Bye. Bye bye.